Hi guys, welcome to my channel Polar Man Studio. Thought of upgrading myself a long time ago. So right now upgraded myself to DJI Mini 4 Pro. So there you go. Here we have got the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This was brought to India by my friend who went to Dubai for a visit. So this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo, and this is not the combo plus. DJI Mini 4 Pro combo comes with a 34-minute battery time, and it has three batteries with a charger and a pouch. So right now we are going to unbox this. Subsequently I will tell you guys about the cost of the product and how to bring it to India from Dubai. So this is the box in which I received the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo, and this particular drone costed me around 88,000. So the ideal money was 86,000, and 2,000 was the credit card charges. So you can see on the screen the exact amount which I had paid. And right now this box contains this beautiful leather bag. The quality of this bag was very good. I didn't expect it to be so nice. So now let's open it and see. And when you open this leather box, you can see we have the parts of the drone itself. First thing, this is the DJI RC2 remote. This comes with a inbuilt screen. Previously you would have seen people used to connect the mobile phones for the display, but nowadays you get the DJI RC2 which has the inbuilt display in itself. That's a cool feature which they have added. This is the dial which is used for maneuvering the aircraft. So these two we have to put it on the front so that you can control the drone here. And these are the antennas. So it has a good powerful antenna. They say the transmission distance is almost 10 kilometers, but I have not yet tried, so we will be trying it in the subsequent videos. So this is the mode button. The first one is the cine mode, the second one is the normal mode, and the third one is the sports mode. So you have a power button on the right, and now you are taking a look at the bottom side where we have this two places for additional gadgets to fit in, and this is the place for SD card or your memory card, and this is the place where you can charge it. This is a type C port, so it's a very good remote. And on the top you can see the right button, that is for photo, and the left button, that is for video recording. And there are two dials which are used for zoom of the camera and for the tilt of the camera. So that's it about this remote. Let's see what we have next. The next is the battery pack. So as you see, we have purchased a combo drone, so we get three batteries with it and a charging hub. So you can see these batteries are literally lightweight. It is already written on the top that it is just 249 grams. So actually you don't feel the weight itself. When you take these batteries in your hand, it is like a feather. That's what I can say. So the flying time of these batteries will be around 34 minutes. So let me show you the charging port here. So as you see, this is the output, so you can use this as a power bank as well. and the middle port is the charger, that is the type C port, and the left side button is the power button with which you can check out the uh, battery power in all the three batteries. So we will be charging it also now. So next we are going to take out the drone in itself. This drone really, it is such a lightweight. I didn't expect at all. I thought it will at least weigh something in my hand, but the truth is it is absolutely lightweight. So less than 250 grams is allowed in India. You can see it just fits in my palm. It is actually not even the size of my palm. It is shorter. So I don't know how it is going to counter the wind. Anyways, we will try that as well. So you can see the front portion there. These are the sensors here. So 1 2, this is 3, this is number 4, and on the back side you have 5 and 6. So you get total of 6 sensors, and this is 360-degree obstacle avoidance, so you need not worry at all. So that is the battery port, and these batteries will go in there. So next let's open this propeller belt or the propeller guard. So let's reveal the arms of this drone now. Let me keep this bag aside. So guys, as you see, the quality is good, but I don't know, because since it feels very light, it feels as if it is very fragile. It will break off if you handle it with some force. So right now we have unfolded all the 4 arms of this drone. So still I would say it is very small, and you can see how freely the propellers are moving. That is the power button there. So when you put the battery inside, and you can see that is the charging hub, that is the type C port, and this is for the memory card or your SD card. So right now let me open the camera cover. So this is a very good add-on actually. It will help you to protect your camera whenever you are transporting it or whenever you are traveling. So let's remove the sticker now. Sticker is removed. So let me take out the sponge which is kept there to hold the gimbal so that it doesn't break during your travel. So you can see it's a very good camera there with a 48 megapixel camera, and the movement of this camera will be tested subsequently. So let's see what else is inside the leather bag. So when you open this, there is a bunch of cover there. So let me take it out for you guys, and that's it. There is nothing else in the bag. So let's keep the bag aside, and the first thing what we get is the manuals and a bunch of stickers to paste on your drone. And the next one is your I guess the propeller blades, the extra propellers which you get with the combo. So let me see what and all is there inside. So you have I think 3 set of propellers. One, this is the second set of propeller, and this is the third set of propeller. So whenever your propeller gets damaged, you can actually change it with the help of this screwdriver. So this is the screwdriver which you can use to change your propellers. And what else we got? We have okay, so 2 cables we have. This is a type C to type C, and this is a type C to USB. So let me explain you what it is used for. The type C to the USB, it is used for charging your remote, and type C to type C is used for charging your charger hub. However, there is no adapter given, so you will have to buy adapter. So that is all inside the box. Now let me tell you guys how to bring this drone from Dubai to India. All you have to do is the drone and the extra parts to be kept inside your main luggage, the remote controller and your batteries to be kept in your hand luggage. So meet you guys in my next video. Take care, cheers and peace. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Polar Man Studio.